Welcome back to Trination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and today I've got Ipsy, which I did skip a month. I think that's
we
right.
did get these yesterday, I'm pretty sure, too. On
Yeah.
top of that, right?
We're
Sorry,
filming
everybody.
We're filming on Sunday. We're doing 3 back-to-back videos, so you can see us in the same outfits. That is why, but we're going to do a giveaway video shortly, and that'll go up on Monday or Tuesday.
And there's a
there
fly
is
in
a
my
fly
house,
in
so
here,
if I panic, I hate bugs, so just if I freak out, that's why.
It's driving her crazy. I do like that they did the bag display this month. Usually I hate the bags, but it's got the little bee for Betty Boo. So cute. So cute. The only thing is I thought with the extra price of everything going up that it was going to be where you're going to choose your own item, like one of the items you can choose. I didn't see that option anywhere.
You want me to
So
take the
just,
card, I guess?
Sure. Sorry. I was just going to start on the products right there.
Well, it says flaunt it. That's what the front says. And it says, don't forget the choice is yours. And then it opens, right?
Yeah. And all the
And then-
products. All the products.
Okay.
And then this is Aphrodite's olive oil face mask for all skin type deep cleansing. I was like, how do you, does it say how to use
Aphrodite skincare, that one?
Does it say how to use it? Because that makes me mad that it's like a...
It says smooth a quarter-sized dollop of this mask all over clean skin. Let sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Follow up with moisturizer.
We know how I feel about masks that you have to leave on and rinse off. So that'll probably go in a giveaway. I love cleansers, but I don't like having to wait. I've got too many masks where I have to wait. So next I have the Private Doctor Define Minus Serum. If it's any kind of serum, that's good for me.
And it says you apply that to cleansed and toned
yay.
skin, and you pat until completely absorbed and follow with moisturizer.
Hopefully you guys could see
It says
that.
it might feel tingly upon application. That's totally normal.
My fat finger. And on my sensitive skin, it'll probably be stinging or something. Matte lipstick by Context.
Say love.
I hate it because I don't
think it's
don't
a color.
I don't want to like open it because I want to put it in a giveaway.
It looks like it should be like a pink if it's the same.
So, I know, darn. Oh, can you show them that pink then? I'd rather not open this because I like to keep them as fresh as possible for a giveaway. So this will go
like
either this giveaway or our next giveaway.
Hopefully I'm showing it correctly.
One of the two, but that's what it looks like. I don't need more lipstick, so.
I know, if
Even
that's...
though sometimes I feel like I don't have
That's
the right
the one
color.
thing we're like...
We still need to
We
use
have enough
that
lipstick
100.
to last like 70 lifetimes.
This is totally cute. It must be Betty Boop inspired.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a little brush. But again, I don't really use...
It's
I mean,
an
I use
eyeshadow
brushes,
brush.
but so seldom that, like, the ones I have I barely use. So that'll go in a giveaway. So 1, 2, 3 items for
I
giveaway.
think you're
Yay.
pulling out my favorite thing next. Woohoo!
And then this is their Real by Benefit mascara. Me and my sister both like this one, but she likes it enough to where I think I'd probably just give it to her. You know, she wants it. And I think
it's
that's
one of my
it, right?
favorites. It's not my...
But that's
absolute
it for
favorite.
this one, and this bag now costs $12 plus tax. So I think it comes to 13 something or something like that. But the thing that made me mad is I said I thought you were supposed to be able to select something, and then when I went on their site, I didn't see anywhere where I could select something. So I was like, oh, so it's just more money. But that was it for this video. Let us know what you think of it. See if it was fast enough for you. Give us a
hang on
thumbs
real
up.
quick.
Oh.
Pause for a second. It does say on October 23rd you get to choose.
Oh, so maybe it'll start by November. Hopefully.
I wanted to throw that in there.
I'm glad she did because I was like, when does it start? But yay. I do like this bag this time. I actually keep it instead of giving it to my daughter. But that was it for this video. Stay tuned for our giveaway video and we'll see you next time.
Take care.
Bye.